Ta-da! Good morning! We just got off na po basketballan bisaya. And it's gonna take about 1 km walk on a paved road. And then we're gonna start the trail 6 hours. Wala pa sa trail pero nakakita namin og sapa. Nasa river already. Dili mi usually makakita ani kay mugikan mi usually mga 4 a.m. mga 3 a.m. So dark pa kay ni diri and then we need flashlight so makahira mi sa river pero di jud mi kita. Kita ron.
I don't like Coco Cat.
Ay kita mi. And ganahan ko maligo. Nanay bata na nga snacks. Muna ang first tower.
Oy! No, wala to plastic! No. Oh, they perfect, Mom!
Hands. Pag hinay. Hinay. Okay?
Now let's go, I like violet to me.
First tower.
It's not a tower.
It's a tower, Baba.
No, it isn't.
That took a while. There pa more. Many more to go. Halfway through. Ngit. Singutan ninyo, uy.
Sing storyari mo, wata ka.
Let's go. Hey
Already
guys.
halfway through?
We're already 2 more to go, guys.
Yeah. Way to the 4th tower.
Yeah, and the 5th tower have my favorite section.
Look at you're covering the camera, love.
Sir. Mom?
Yeah?
Oh, there's so
Okay,
much.
that's
Today we're going to the ship, the 5th tower. Makes like a dead leaf na orange and even sticks.
Oh.
They can eat some stuff.
Our way to the 4th tower. So medyo challenging part. Pero nawa akong anak, oh. Murag frog.
Kinda, Mom.
Hmm.
Mama, crying like a lion.
Crawling like a lion. Kapoy na siya. So bahala na kung siya buhaton. Basta malakaw lang siya. Almost there. Yeah.
Oh,
It's Koana.
Huh?
7:45. Yeah. Took a bit longer, Zai.
dude.
It's okay cause it's our recovery hike. Cause we've been sick for the past 2 weeks, Baba, no?
Yeah.
We've been sick for the past 2 weeks, so we weren't able to hike. Done with 6 towers. But just look at the view, bro. Wait. Labong kaya ang plants kay it was raining for the past few days. It was not just raining, Baba. It was a typhoon, bro. But look at that view, bro. See? It's so worth it. ba? Wala, do not touch. Okay, go. Go, go, go. It's okay, it's okay. Go. It's okay. Kinsa man ka, uy! Sa naman ni, mag-abot na matas bukid. Nunon.
Wala ko 15.30.
Oh, kayo. Almost there. Okay.